How do you measure data quality? To measure data quality, you obviously need data quality metrics. They are also key in assessing your efforts in increasing the quality of your information. Among the various techniques of quality management, data quality metrics must be of a top-notch and clearly defined. These metrics encompass different aspects of quality, that can be summed up with the acronym ACCIT, standing for accuracy, consistency, completeness, integrity, and timeliness. Accuracy refers to business transactions or status changes as they happen in real time. Accuracy should be measured through source documentation, i.e., from the business interactions, but if not available, then through confirmation techniques of an independent nature. It will indicate whether data is void of significant errors. A typical metric to measure accuracy is the ratio of data to errors, that tracks the amount of known errors, like a missing, an incomplete or a redundant entry, relatively to the data set. Consistency. Strictly speaking, consistency specifies that two data values pulled from separate data sets should not conflict with each other. However, consistency does not automatically imply correctness. Completeness will indicate if there is enough information to draw conclusions. Completeness can be measured by determining whether or not each data entry is a full data entry. All available data entry fields must be complete, and sets of data records should not be missing any pertinent information. Integrity, also known as data validation. Integrity refers to the structural testing of data to ensure that the data complies with procedures. This means there are no unintended data errors, and it corresponds to its appropriate designation, example date, month, and year. Timeliness corresponds to the expectation for availability and accessibility of information. In other words, it measures the time between when data is expected and the moment when it is readily available for use.